Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? In this tutorial I will show you how to create the scope box. Okay, so first of all I will explain you what is scope box, how to use, what is the importance in our project, the scope box. So this, for example, I make just only this is our project. Okay, and this is the grade. Okay, this all is the grade and this is our project. So this is the toilet area, for example. So I just create only a simple we use this for two things. For example, you get a project from another company, or uh, just I want to explain you a little bit, and you will work only for this area. Okay, so you will show this area only. The one project is overall. Okay, and this is your scope. You will not work here, you will not work here. This is the number one. Number two, uh, if you make here the call out mean you want to make the more detail here, dimension, material, description, everything. You will for example, this your project is 1 to 100. Okay, and you will make this one, this area 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 to make the more small object you will show and make the description and everything. So the scope box we will use for this two things. Okay, one for call out, and one if you, and another one if you have some this only your scope. So you will show the two pages. The one is overall, this is the project, and this is our scope. So how to do this one? uh, you will click this the view. Okay, you will click first this view. So this call out. Okay, call out, I will not explain call out now. I will explain now the scope box. Okay, so I will click on the scope box and I make here one, this I select this area. Okay, this is now is scope box. So what I do here, I rename, for example, I rename here my scope. Okay, this is my scope. If you have another scope here, so you can, this is up to you, how to you rename this one. This automatic is coming scope 1, scope box 1 2 3 like this. If you rename, you can rename here. Okay, I just rename this my scope. Okay, and then I will come here the level, because this you can make this. For example, you have a building, one project, 3 stories, 3 floors, 5 floors, and your scope is the 5 floors, and the 5 floors. So what you do, you will select that area, and then you make the select the area, your scope area. Okay, so just I make this only level 1. So I will come here the level 1. Why I explain this one? Maybe if you work on the level on the floor 5 or 6, and then you come to the level 1, so this not which floor you have this the scope area, that floor you need to make the duplicate view and come to duplicate is a dependent. Okay, so you are click on this. Now this is create another one. Okay, then select this one and come here the property and click the scope box here, this scope box, and click here my scope. Okay, so now see this, the another project is closed. Okay, and here the you cannot make again the grade. This is the automatically coming this grade. Okay, so this is very important. Now you will go to the level 1. This is your project. Okay, and your scope this one. Okay, so you don't need to create the grade again and rename like this. You will see the level 1, this one 6 7, and this one 1 2. Okay, so you will click on the level this your scope. Okay, so you can see this automatic come 1 2 and 6 and 7. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.